Pork tenderloin is worth the wait. It takes a little while to cook and to marinate, but it is so worth it. I love pork tenderloin. It's definitely filling, it's healthy, it's pork, it goes well with everything. It's also fairly light, like it's not too heavy, which I feel like red meat can be. This is a lighter meat, and it's delicious. And I think a lot of people also don't think about pork tenderloin as an easy meal, but it really is. It does take a little while in the oven, about 45, 50, maybe 60 minutes, but it's so worth it. So we have this pork tenderloin. It's awesome. Oh my God, it's so good. So we gotta stab it first to get the seasoning in. So you just like stab it all over. We're gonna flip sides. And then we'll put it in the bowl to season it. Okay, so we're putting in half a cup of mustard. Just like pretty much this entire little bottle. Okay, so 2 teaspoons of fresh garlic, so that's not that much at all. Probably a little goes a long way. This is gonna be so good though, I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Okay, we got that. Then we got a little bit of fresh rosemary. And one more. Do light on this one since I have pieces falling in. Okay, cool. So I like to use pink Himalayan salt. I think it tastes a lot better than any other type of salt. So we bought in bulk the salt. So we go for 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. Sweet. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Avocado oil, I should say. All right, so 2 tablespoons of avocado. So avocado oil is much lighter. It's definitely less taste than like extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil. Nice and light. All right, okay. And then we mix together. Perfect. Looking good. So it's our marinade. Okay, it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna flip it over, so make sure it gets both sides. Okay. So we are letting it marinate for 30 minutes. That's basically the minimum. If you could put it in for an hour or more, that's actually better seasoning. It gets in there in the meat, but we're gonna let it hold on to the side for 30 minutes before we put it in the oven at 350. It's been marinating for half an hour. It's ready to go in for 45 minutes to an hour. Perfect. I like things on the crispier side, so I think I'll set a timer just on my phone for about like 50 minutes. That's like a good in between. So then we'll check on it and see how it goes. Timer's about to go off for the pork because it's been 15 minutes. So let's, there it is. We're just gonna check on it. Ooh. Ooh, hot in here. All right. I think it looks pretty good. Oh, I thought it needed more time and it doesn't. It's perfect. All right, we're gonna let it cool down for about 5 minutes and then dig in. Pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin. Thank you for watching Cooking with Christa. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Please let me know down in the comments if there's any recipes you would like to see for the future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you on the next one. See you soon. Bye.